Hello everyone. This is Parveen, Math Mistress, Government Middle School Mirpur, Block Gurdaspur 2. Today I am here to explain assignment 187 of class 6th and topic we are doing is unitary method of chapter ratio and proportion. And students, this assignment is made by Padho Punjab Padhao Punjab math team. So let us start our assignment 187. In the last assignment 186, we have learnt about what a unitary method. Let us revise it. What is a unitary method? The unitary method is a technique for solving a problem by first finding the value of a single unit and then finding the necessary value by multiplying the single unit value. In a sense, this method is used to find the value of a unit from the value of a multiple and hence the value of a multiple. So what is a unitary method? Unitary method ਨੂੰ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਕਾਈ ਵਿਧੀ ਵੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹ ਕੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਯੂਨਿਟਸ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਲ ਬੇਟਾ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਸਿੰਗਲ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈਂਗ ਦਾ ਸਿੰਗਲ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਬਾਏ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਡ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਯੂਨਿਟ, ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਹਨ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੰਗਲ ਯੂਨਿਟ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਨੂੰ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਜੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਰਿਕੁਆਇਰਡ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆ ਜਾਏਗੀ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਮੈਥਡ ਇਜ਼ ਕਾਲਡ ਯੂਨਿਟਰੀ ਮੈਥਡ. ਲੈਟ ਅਸ ਮੂਵ ਟੂ ਆਵਰ ਅਸਾਈਨਮੈਂਟ 187 which is from exercise 12.3. Question is, Shaina pays rupees 7,500 as rent for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remain same? Means Shaina pays 7,500 rupees for a 3 months. And now we have to find how much she has paid for a whole year. Whole year means there are 12 months in a year. It means we have to find the rent for 12 months. So how we can find? We can easily find it using unitary method. So let us solve it. First one is rent paid by Shaina in 3 months is equal to rupees 7,500. ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ ਬੇਟਾ ਕਿ ਸ਼ਾਇਨਾ ਜੋ ਹੈ 3 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕਿਰਾਇਆ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਦੇ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, 3 ਮੰਥ ਦਾ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਿਰਾਇਆ ਦੇ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, 7,500 ਰੁਪੀਸ. ਇਹ ਉਸਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮੰਥ ਲਈ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, 3 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਲਈ. ਅਸੀਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਫਾਰ ਅ ਹੋਲ ਈਅਰ, ਪੂਰੇ 1 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਲਈ. ਅਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ, 1 ਮੰਥ ਦਾ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ. ਅਤੇ 1 ਮੰਥ ਦਾ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਜੋ 3 ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ 3 ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ, ਡਿਵਾਈਡ. 7,500 ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ 3 ਨਾਲ ਜਦੋਂ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਤਾ ਅਤੇ 25 3 ਦਾ 75 ਅਤੇ 2 ਜ਼ੀਰੋਜ਼ ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਰੁਪੀਜ਼ 2,500 which is paid by Shaina in 1 month. Now we can easily find for 12 months. What we have to do for 12 months, we have to multiply 2,500 by 3. 2,500 by 12 because we have to find for 12 months. Now multiply 2,500 by 12, we get rupees 30,000. It means Shaina pay rupees 30,000 for rent in 12 months. So this is your question number 1. Question number 2. Cost of 4 dozen banana is rupees 60. how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.60? Here we have given the cost of 4 dozen of banana. We know in 1 dozen of banana there are 12 banana. So how many bananas are in 4 dozens? 4 multiplied by 12. 12 4 is the 60. 12 4 is the 48, sorry. 12 4 is the 48. So it means for 48 bananas we have to pay rupees 60. So how much we have to pay for rupees 12? How many bananas we can purchase for rupees 12.60? So let us solve this. First we have banana bought in rupees 60. कि 60 रुपीज़ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੇਟਾ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬਨਾਨਾ ਖਰੀਦ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ 60 रुपीज़ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ 4 dozen of banana. 4 dozen 4 multiply by 12 because there are 12 bananas in 1 dozen. We have 48. Now for 60 rupees we have to pay rupees 48. ਪਹਿਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ 1 rupees ਲਈ फाइंड आउट ਕਰ ਲਈਏ 1 rupees ਲਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ 48 divided by 60. अगर 1 rupees लई if we for rupees 1 we have to pay 48 over 60 then for 12.60 rupees which is equal to 48 divided by 60 multiply by 60. It means using unitary method where first we find the value of 1 unit then multiply the value of 1 unit by required number of unit which is 12.60. कि 1 रुपीस की वैल्यू साढ़े को कितनी आ गई 40 over 60 तो असी कितनी फाइंड आउट करनी है 12.60 की हुण असी सिंपलीफाई कर लेने 48 डिवाइडेड बाय 60 मल्टीप्लाई 12.60. हुण इस पॉइंट नूं असी इत्थों रिमूव करना है तो पॉइंट तो बाद बेटा किन्ने डेसीमल है किन्ने डिजिट है 2 तो इस पॉइंट नूं जदों असी हटा दिता तो कितना आ जाएगा साढ़े कोलों 1260 तो डेसीमल तो बाद 2 डिजिट तो डिवाइड किहदे नाल कर देंगे फिर असी इसनूं 100 नाल 0 नाल 0 कैंसल हो गई हुण डिवाइड करो 6 1 दा 6 तो 10 6 दा 60 तो कितना आ जाएगा 8 6 दा 48. नाउ multiply 126 by 8 and divide by 10 multiply 10 10 is the 100 multiplying 126 by 8 then divided by 100 we get 10.08 approximately 10 bananas. How many bananas we can purchase 10 bananas. This is your correct answer. To our question number 3. What is question number 3? The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. 72 books. Weight of 72 books is equal to 9 kg. What is the weight of 40 such books? Similarly, apply unitary method. First, find the weight of one book by dividing 9 kg. 9 divided by 72. Now we have to find for 40 books. Then what we will do? 9 divided by 72 and multiply by 40. Divide it. After dividing, we get in the table of 8, we can divide 72 and 40. 8 9 is the 72 and 8 5 is the 40. 9 divided by 9, we have 5. So it means so weight of 40 books is equal to 5 kg. This is your question number 3. Next question number 4. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 km. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 km? सेम क्वेश्चन है बेटा तुसी सॉल्व अपने आप भी कर सकते हो। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ कि डीजल जो है 594 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करन दे लई सानू कितना बेटा डीजल चाहिए 108 लीटर। फर्स्ट असी की फाइंड आउट कर लांगे फॉर 1 किलोमीटर how much liter we have required 108 divided by 594. Now we have to find for 1650 kilometer. For this, simply 108 divided by 594 multiply by 1650. After simplifying, we get 300. If you know how we can simplify, simply divide it by 2. If you don't know how we can simplify such long terms, start from 2. Divide 108 by 2. We get 5 to the 10 and 4 to the 8, 54. Also simplify it by 2, divided it by 2. We get 2 to the 4, 9 to the 18 and 7 to the 14. Again we can divide it by table of 3. 3 ones the 3 and 18. 18 3 is the 54. Here divide 297 by 3. 9 3 is the 27 and 9 3 is the 27. Here we can also again divide it by table 9. 9 2 is the 18 and 11 9 is the 99. Now simply multiply 1650 by 2 and divide it by 11. We get 300 liter. Question number 5. Raju purchased 10 pen for rupees 150 and Manish pay by 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the cheap prices? Who got the pen cheaper? First we find the cost of 1 pen purchased by Raju. How we can find it? Cost of 10 pen purchased by Raju, which is 115. How many pens he has purchased? 10. Divide 150 by 10. 0 by 0 cancel. Only we left with rupees 15. It means cost of 1 pen purchased by Raju is equal to rupees 15. Now we find the cost of one pen purchased by second boy Manish. Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. 7 pen for rupees 84. Now 1 pen he purchased 84 by 7. So this is 12 4 से 7. 12. इट मीन्स जो मनीष है उसने 12 रुपीज़ के बेटा पेन खरीदे हैं तो जो राजू है उसने किन्ने दे खरीदे सी 15 रुपए दे। हुण दोनों नूं देखो किसने सस्ते पेन खरीदे 12 रुपीज़ वाले ने तो फिर 12 रुपीज़ के पेन किसने खरीदे सी मनीष ने। इट मीन्स मनीष जो है परचेज चीपर पेन्स दैन राजू। सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Anisha made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anoop made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? This question is again same as we have done question number 5. First we find the run made by Anisha in 1 over. Then we find run made by Anoop in 1 over. After that we can compare. Here Anisha made run in 1 over is equal to 7 and similarly Anoop made run in 1 over is equal to 9. Who made more run? 9 and 9 run is made by Anoop. It means Anoop made more runs in 1 over. So how we can simplify it? First find the run made by Anisha, how many run made by Anisha in 6 over is equal to 42. Then we find run made by Anisha in 1 over, which is 42 over 6. 6 sevens are 42, 7 run. Similarly, run made by Anoop in 7 over is equal to 63. Then 1 in 1 over, 63 by 7. 7 nines are 63, 9. It means she made 9 run in 1 over and Anoop scored more run. So this is your assignment 187. I hope you all understand about unitary method. Now revise these questions and note down on your math notebooks. God bless you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.